Hello and welcome back to FinEd, your favorite financial education channel. Today we will be discussing disability cover. We will be talking about what it is, how it works, what the advantages and disadvantages are, and how it fits into your financial planning. Before we begin, please hit that subscribe button so you are staying up to date with your financial education content. Disability cover is a type of insurance that provides financial protection to individuals who become disabled temporarily or permanently and are unable to work. It can help cover expenses such as medical bills, rehabilitation costs, and lost income. You must read your policy carefully in order to know what is covered and what is not covered, as cover varies. In the mid-1900s, disability lump sum products were first introduced in South Africa. These products were designed to safeguard policyholders from loss of income resulting from a disability. The typical definition of occupational disability stipulates that a policyholder is entitled to a benefit if they are unable to carry out their own occupation or any occupation they are suitable for based on their training or skills, or any occupation at all. This definition is known as an occupation-based definition. New generation products were introduced in approximately the year 2000, and the primary difference from traditional products was the inclusion of a set of functional disability criteria. These criteria clearly define the list of conditions that would qualify a policyholder for a payout. These new products are more transparent for policyholders in terms of eligibility to claim and the events they would be covered for. If you become disabled and are unable to work, you can file a claim with your disability insurance provider. The provider will review your claim and, if approved, will begin paying you a monthly benefit to help cover your expenses. The benefit amount will depend on the terms of your policy and the severity of your disability. Some employers do offer disability cover for their employees, but such cover may not be adequate as it may cover the employee for a limited period only and it may not be automatic. There would be lots of assessments before the payment is approved. Please check your employment contracts and payslips, as you might already be paying for this as part of your cost to company. One of the main advantages of disability cover is that it provides financial protection to individuals who become disabled and are unable to work. This can help prevent financial hardship and ensure that you have the financial resources you need to cover your expenses. Another advantage of disability cover is that it can provide peace of mind. Knowing that you have this type of coverage in place can help alleviate the stress and anxiety that come with a disability. One disadvantage of disability cover is that it can be expensive. The premiums for this type of insurance can be higher than other types of insurance, which can make it difficult for some individuals to afford it. Another disadvantage is that disability cover may not cover the full income replacement that you need. Depending on the terms of your policy, you may only receive a portion of your income, which make it difficult to cover all of your expenses. The employer can pay your salary until the sick leave is exhausted if you have got disability cover through your employer. Thereafter, the disability cover will kick in terms of covering your salary while you are unable to get back to work. Disability cover is an important component of a well-rounded financial plan. It can help protect you and your family in the event of a disability and ensure that you have the financial resources you need to cover your expenses. However, it's important to note that disability cover should be considered in the context of your overall financial plan. You should take into account factors such as your income, your expenses, and other insurance coverage when deciding how much disability cover you need. You must shop around for the best cover that will suit your pocket while giving you peace of mind. Disability cover doesn't just mean physical disability, it can mean mental as well. Recently, Discovery Life was ordered by the High Court in Johannesburg to pay more than 25 million rand to a policyholder who had a mental breakdown after being charged with murdering his girlfriend in Mauritius. Judge Stuart Wilson said the evidence showed the man was unable to resume his job as a stockbroker, and Discovery had repudiated his claims that he had become permanently unable to do his job by the time his insurance cover expired in November 2015. The judge ruled that the man had become totally and permanently unable to perform his role as a stockbroker by that time. In conclusion, disability cover is an important type of insurance that can help provide financial protection to individuals who become disabled and are unable to work. While it has its advantages and disadvantages, it can be an important component of a well-rounded financial plan. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.